Aloha! Welcome to Paradise Tarot. This is your Cosmic Oracle, bringing you your October 2021 monthly reading for the sign of Capricorn. I appreciate you tuning into my channel. Note this reading is timeless and can resonate whenever it finds you. If it doesn't resonate, please check your rising, your moon, or your Venus signs videos. I'm using the Astral Realms Crystal Oracle deck to do an overarching card. And it's not super photogenic and hard to capture as far as the color schematics. But you got Emerald, Mercury, Cognizance. So it has an element, a planet, and a word along with a number. Number 28. If that resonates, as your overarching energy for the reading. I'm trying to see if it'll show up for you. It's really beautiful. Maybe like this. Nope. Alright. Anyway, so it's kind of funny because Mercury is in retrograde. Cognizance is awareness type energy, and not only awareness, but so I'm doing an elemental spread. Air, fire, water, earth, spirit. Air's mental, fire, action, water, emotion. Earth is the physical, spirit, spirit. Okay, so let's get 3 more cards for Capricorn, October 2021. And I'm going to go ahead and start reading so you don't have to wait for the cards to fall. Mentally, Capricorn, the 3 of Pentacles came out for you. And so it says guidance. We are always guided to our path. Now, whether or not we follow that guidance is up to us. You know, we make our own choices here. And I don't read reversals, but it just means that the opposite, polarities exist. So either you're spinning your wheels, going nowhere fast, is what that kind of means, or you're experiencing lots of movement. And it doesn't have to be traveling to anywhere really far. It could just be movement in a project that's propelling you from one goal to the next. So, which, emotionally you're co-creating if this is a project, as I suspect. If it's not and you are traveling, being able to go out into the world and experience it and exist and have fun. Like, you're creating fun. We're always creating something in our environment, and it's the ability to be inspired and feel that energy and let it propel us forward is kind of the message here in the physical. And spiritually, like, you could kind of feel isolated in your belief system, or maybe you just haven't been feeling very connected to the divine. And Spirit's saying, meditate, go within, because you have a lot of inspirational, like, passion and energy to share, not only for yourself but with others. And it's very abundant energy that's being given to you. So meditation can help you harness and understand that energy. Many beliefs around meditation, I think, is incorrect. I thought when I started meditating regularly that I wasn't supposed to think anything during meditation. And then I realized different things. There's different ways to meditate depending on what you need. If your mind's going a million miles a minute, then yeah, the meditation is going to help you to control your mind, flex your ability to control your mind by, kind of wiping it clean. And once you do that over and over, you're like, nope, nope, nope. Just like a 2-year-old running around trying to pick up this and that. You keep saying no, you put it back, or you move it so they can't get it. But you kind of get the idea. It's that repetition. And, as you start conditioning yourself with that type of meditation, yeah, you'll have longer and longer spans that you don't have a thought, but eventually you will have a thought. And so people give up on meditating because they think it's supposed to be this super blissful moment, or not moment, but experience, which I have had meditations that have been super blissful, but very few where it was just mind-blowing and I was like, whoa. You can't have that experience every single time you meditate, but the purpose of meditating is setting aside time for yourself, to give yourself that love and space, to recognize, okay, maybe I just need rest, and put on some music and to relax and let go. Many times when I meditate, the first thing I do is start relaxing my mouth, okay? My tongue keeps going to the roof of my mouth and I just keep relaxing it and trying to focus and breathe. So, everyone has their own ways to meditate. You can listen to different guided meditations. The possibilities are endless. People look at a flame to try and focus. So it's up to you to find what works for you at that time. Many times I like to go outside and meditate and just listen to nature. And other times I don't. I need a controlled environment. So anyway, enough about that. 3 of Pentacles is clarified by the 7 of Cups, which is, you have so many options of things you can create, and just being able to decide what you want and focus on it and hold your focus on it is what's going to give you that movement forward and experience the change or birth of that project. With your Ace of Cups clarifying this Page of Wands, you're moving forward energy, following your passion, your desires. Sometimes you can get a message of something that totally sparks your inspiration. And it may be something to do with a new love or a new desire or something that eventually is going to balance you out here spiritually with this Temperance and help you feel more connected with the divine and feel that love of the divine. Let's see what's at the bottom of these decks here. Yeah, 10 of Pentacles. So you are going to be successful. And it may not be monetary success. Knowledge is invaluable. So it may just be what you learn here with this 3 of Pentacles. And your air, and deciding, you know, what's the most important thing to learn from this situation. But yeah, you've got the 10 of Pentacles and then the 9 of Cups at the bottom of these decks. So your dreams and wishes and desires are coming true, and you've worked hard to get yourself to that place. Yeah, because the bottom of the Astral Realms Oracle deck, you got Jupiter, Curiosity, Apophyllite. So Jupiter is the planet of expansion, abundance. Curiosity is when you're curious about something, usually you're going to seek knowledge about whatever you're curious about, right? Let's get a card from the Prophet deck for Capricorn for October 2021. What does Capricorn need to know? Let there be in your heart a song for each cup. Then you got no sunrise finds us where the sunset left us. So here, again, the number 10. Let there be in your heart a song for each cup. So what I'm getting is every experience, whether it's good, bad, indifferent, like if you're creating and it doesn't pan out right, you know that failure, that thing is not working, okay? But that's a good thing. I think Thomas Edison, not Thomas Edison, I don't know, inventors, when they're trying to invent something, they fail over and over and over until they succeed, okay? And this is kind of backing that up, is to let go of, you know, whatever outcome you're expecting, and just kind of put it into the divine's hands and know that it's going to work out eventually. You don't necessarily know exactly, but with this, like the ocean is your God self, it remains forever undefiled. So remain innocent and connect to your inner child. It is when you give of yourself that you truly give. So put everything you have into it. Don't hold yourself back and by worry, doubt, things like that. Because the universe is wanting you to trust in the plan here. So I hope this helped. Don't forget to remember to enjoy the journey. If you found value, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any feedback for how I can improve or what you didn't like, you liked, please leave a comment below. Have a beautiful time enjoying the gift from the divine that we call the present. Click on my video. Aloha.